Have you ever wondered over the mysterious world of stock analysis? Welcome to Bull Bear Brains, where today we delve into the depths of technical analysis. If the idea of scrutinizing a stock before investing intrigues you, then stick around. We're about to unravel the steps to becoming a proficient stock analyst. First off, what is technical analysis? It's a method used to evaluate securities by analyzing statistics generated by market activity, such as historical prices and trading volumes. To truly master this, one needs to adopt a systematic approach. Step 1. Research the industry. Understanding the broader market trends offers a wealth of insights into potential risks and opportunities. Next is Step 2. Get to know the company. What does it do and how does it do it? Knowledge about the business is crucial for making informed decisions. Step 3. Delve into the company's financial statements. Analysis of balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow can reveal a lot about its financial health. Step 4. Get to know the management. Understand the key players, their track records, and their vision for the company. Step 5. Evaluate the company's prospects. Look at future projections and industry forecasts to gauge where it's headed. Step 6. Compare the stock with its peers. This will help you understand how it stacks up against the competition. Step 7. Evaluate the stock. Consider different valuation models and understand price-to-earnings ratios to determine if the stock is priced right. Step 8. Analyze the risks. Understand market volatility and potential pitfalls that could impact your investment. Finally, Step 9. Track the company's performance. Stay updated with news, quarterly reports, and any significant events that may affect its trajectory. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to technical analysis. Always remember, successful investing is all about making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Bull Bear Brains, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Happy investing and catch you in the next video.